as you scoop into a perfect pan of authentic Spanish seafood rice. Forget about sticky or mushy grains, because this coastal method
sears pristine seafood at high temperatures to lock in every drop of moisture. We flash fry plump shrimp in rich olive oil before throwing in tender squid rings. This rapid marine extraction creates a beautiful, savory coat on the bottom of the pan, which relies on building a deeply caramelized aromatic foundation. We reduce grated vine tomatoes with minced garlic and sweet smoked paprika until intensely sweet, before toasting our short-grain bomba rice directly in the infused oil. This technical step locks the exterior starches
completely, ensuring uniform grain distribution. Every single pearl absorbs the fat, turning completely translucent and immune to overcooking, to ensure zero stickiness. We then flood the pan with an intense, boiling seafood stock infused with real saffron threads, and let it simmer completely undisturbed. Never stir the pan from this point on, allowing the heat to distribute evenly, allowing a gorgeous, crispy, caramelized crust to form at the base. As the liquid completely disappears, a sharp crackle signals that the legendary Socarrat is born. Top with rich, homemade garlic aioli, grab a spoon, and que aproveche.